Yeah, yeah. Baka di naman. Nato na ito niyayakan na. Ay, nakapipaprank. Ha? Ha? So guys, ipaprank na yan namin. We're gonna prank my little cousin and he's a boy, like, he's not a girl. Hindi siya buntis. Ay. So, let's go. We're gonna prank him. Like, you know, I pranked my cousin just a second ago, and he said, let's prank our little cousin. Yun ay attitude prank. He's so easy to prank because he's so. Let's start, guys. Bye. Let's start.
Ay, kuya. Ay, kuya, ate.
Nagihultang na lang agad. Guys, disclaimer, guys. Don't serious this video because it's just a prank and I love my little cousin so much. Let's just wait my cousin, guys. Just wait, guys. Wait. Hello. So let's just wait my cousin. Like, you know. Let's go. Yeah. Ate ko na iya. Attitude prank. Agad tatarayan naman. Magsagad ba? Ulat lang agad. Ayaw ganito. Ayaw ganito ya. Ay, pwede. Ayaw niya pagkuha. Is that an iPad? So he's vlogging that, not showing her face.
Yeah. Puno na.
Ayun, luyaran. Mahulugan tayo ba itong tuyo? Kakabayan. Hindi na para. So cute. Ha? What is it? Guys, I feel bad for him. Yeah. Huh? Guys, don't serious this video because we're just pranking my little cousin. He didn't hear me because you know. So guys, it's so beautiful. Guys, it's privacy. I don't want you to show it. Oh, I love it. Sige. Okay na to. I put my eye. I poke my eye. Oh my god. Yeah. Attitude prank ka?
Gini.
Attitude prank ka?
Taraw ko.
Uy, attitude prank.
Tara.
No, say up. He's pretty. Our ate is pretty. You know? Our ate is pretty. Guys is starting to cry. Ayaw nga rin pagsilak lang. Kahit kuya. Ayaw naman tan kuya. Gumulay naman ka mo. Nagmumulay lang ito mo. Tapos nagito sa sugad. Ayaw luyaran. Mahulog ng cellphone. Ang cellphone? Tablet, cellphone. Bayan mahulog.
Ayaw,
yung cellphone natin.
Diri.
Ya ano man.
Amon. May mahulog. Tapos gusto ko mahulog yung water bottle.
Ere, kaptang ko. Diba?
Yan mo na talaga yung kaptan.
Ito. Sige.
Pag sinadi mo, pwede kami umupod ng mama pag kobra. Kobra?
Wala.
Ayun. That's the one the background noise because it's raining. Ini.
Ako lang bida. Ito puro.
Ini ba?
Ako lang.
So guys, if you know Uncle Arvin, this our uncle, malap. No matter what, we're watching some TV. Well, mahulog ka. Mama. Tanga-tanga ka pa naman. Guys, if you know tanga-tanga, don't matter. Those are Audi, guys. It's so pretty. Guys, he's our cousin, but not ate because I'm just only child. And he dancer. Ano mo yung ate Barbie?
Brother.
Here's her sister. Brother ka ba? Hoy! Sister kasi. Hoy, ayaw mo tural! Lalagot ka man! Saan luwat?
Ora. Kak, wala na nga. Nagalimot na ako ginano.
Hinaan ito.
Nakakay, pero wala pa. Wala na. Nagstako.
Saan ang drawing? Ano ba mula iya? What's that game? What's Huh? Ayaw ba labotran?
Siya ngay adiragada.
Kapag nalaga na, nabluwa mo na ito. Wait guys, I think this is not it because no, look at him. Bro, iyayakan na natin yan.
Tadaga.
Iyayakan ko na. Dali na.
Abilita.
Oh my god guys, I feel bad. Ral, mahulog ka.
Bagada.
Iyayakan na na. Ral!
Ano ba?
Sorry. It's a prank. Parang dalawang yung nakuhan ka na. Diba na? Yung prank ka na. Uy, prank lang. Prank ka. Sige, ayaw mo na lang. Prank lang. Prank ka. Habit ka naman to? Habit ka naman to? Habit na yun. He almost cried, guys. He almost cried. Sorry, Lal. Sorry, Lal. Pagbaybay na, Lal. Pagbaybay na.
Bye.
Pagbaybay na. Pagbaybay na. Busy. So, bye, guys. Catch you out. I love you all.